Hey everyone, welcome back to Filthy Off-Road Adventures, and today we've got something very short, very quick, but very different. What is it?
No, we're at the Blues at Bridgetown Festival. It happens every year, and if you are in the area, we recommend you do check it out. There's a free street party, so to speak, and of course paid stages that you can go and see the top liners.
Yep, let's go explore.
Too much living, too hard and fast. Being on the streets, you walk alone, running down where the shadows roll. But I see you, and I know where you live. I wanna know, child, how you done? Broken hand on a wasted face. Too many lives to be replaced.
Red roosters sing a cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo. All the women say,
but city lights is calling me. I got those sweet city woman. Oh, that built just right for me.
These people, they're goated, alright? Best four drive I've ever seen in my whole entire life.
What are your names, guys?
My name's Noah. Noah Smethers, owner LN106 for all the lads out there.
Nice. What's your name?
Oh, blew my car up.
Oh no.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Chevy?
Chevy. And you guys locals?
Yeah.
Nice. What do you like? You like this coming around every year?
Hell yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty good, eh?
Yep. Good atmosphere, good event. Everything's pumped up, everyone's pumped up, everyone's ready to have some fun.
Awesome, man.
Excellent.
Have a great day.
You too.
See you guys.